Yeah, Isaac, good game today. For me personally, you were missed. You just give me an assist of the game today.
Yeah, it was vital that we got the 3 points today. I don't think anything else mattered, but I think because of us losing with 2 goals to Curacao, we needed to get at least 2 goals back today. I thought we did that, obviously with the four goals. I think we could have had more. I think we have to be a bit more ruthless in our finishing. We should really be scoring 5, 6, 7. But as I said, 4-0 is still a good result. We topped the group still, and we head into the last 2 games with it in our hands.
All right, Isaac. As you know, the result back in Curacao just now, it's a 1-0 for both Trinidad, and so we're back on top of the table. What's the mindset going into the next window for you now?
We have to win both games, as simple as that. I think the mindset in terms of going into Curacao was disappointing. I think we let ourselves down there because ultimately if we beat Curacao and we won tonight, we would have qualified already. So I think that was a big disappointment from us. But we have to go to Trinidad and we have to beat them and we have to beat Curacao at home. And for me, I think we have to have the mindset, especially in the Caribbean, that we're the best team and we have to go and beat both teams.
All right, so in November, 2 crucial games, away in Trinidad and back here at the National Stadium against Curacao. Basically must-win games. What's your mindset going into those games? Going back to QPR?
Yeah, just as I said, stay fit, stay healthy, get minutes, do my best for my club because at the end of the day, club football is what gives you the foundation to play international football. So as I said, we've done well since I've joined. We're 6 unbeaten, so hopefully we can carry that on when I get back. And as I said, November is a massive window, and it's 2 massive games for us that we have to win.
All right, yeah, not such a football question, but you've been in the midfield for quite some time now. Just speak to me and maybe is your best, player in the pivot that you played.
It's difficult because I think it's been a little bit different because I've played with quite a few players. It's difficult to say. I mean, my job's a little bit different to the others. I mean, I'm not really somebody that's going to score goals or necessarily get assists. I mean, I could have had one tonight if Cephas put the ball in the back of the net. But yeah, my job's just really to be the balance in the team, to make the difference between attack and defence. And as I said, we've got so many good players going forward. You know, Bobby, John when he comes on, or John when he plays scores a lot of goals, and Casey was fantastic tonight. So as I said, my job's just really to be there in between the attack and defence, make sure the rest defence is good and let the lads do the thing up the top end of the pitch.
All right, so one final one. This is one for the fans. In the last game here at home at Curacao, wouldn't it be a spectacle for that game to clinch it to the World Cup?
Oh, unbelievable. I mean, the fans turned out again tonight in their numbers. But I said that hopefully it'll be a sellout for the Curacao game at home, and we owe Curacao one after losing to them the other night. So as I said, it'll be a massive, massive occasion, and hopefully it's the night that we qualify for the World Cup.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.